The best, the ultimate network tweaks is what I'm showing you in this video, and we're going to be talking about how to lower your ping, how to lower your latency, and what will this result in? This will result in your ping genuinely being lower and your game feeling super responsive. Let's get straight into this video. And from this video, by the way, I genuinely want your ping to be lower. We're not going to be faffing around with some basic tweaks. What we're going to be doing is quite advanced, but I will follow you guys along through it very easily. Press Windows and R at the same time so run pops up. What you want to do, by the way, search reg edit just like so, reg edit. Press on OK. Now we're going to be in the registry editor. I'll scroll to the top and tell you exactly what you guys need to do. And yes, of course, this will result in lower ping, what many other PC tweakers aren't telling you, because they're telling you very basic stuff. So now what you actually need to do is this: HKey local machine, bring that folder down, literally just like so. System, bring that folder down. Current control set, bring that folder down. Services, bring that folder down. Once we're done with that, by the way, scroll down a lot until we see the T column. Exactly what we're looking for is TC pip. You guys saw how much I had to scroll down. You guys will have to do very similar. Once you do this, by the way, go on to parameters, bring that folder down, then go on to interfaces. Click onto it just like so. You're going to be greeted with a couple files right here. And whilst we're here, what we need to do is disable Nagle's algorithm. What is Nagle's algorithm? It bundles all of your data together and sends it off. Obviously, you don't want it all bundled up together. You want it sent instantly, obviously resulting in lower ping. So what you need to do, by the way, TCP ACTA frequency, value data of 1 hexadecimal. Now go on TCP delete AX, go on again 1. Now TCP no delay, value data of 1. So as you can see, the 3 right here are 1. Make sure you do this. It will disable Nagle's algorithm, and that is the first tweak already done, getting you lower ping already. We can move into our next tweak. If I can ask for one thing in return from you guys, please do leave a like on this video, please do subscribe. I bring some of the best PC tweaks you can find on YouTube. Now moving to our next ping tweak. And now what we're going to be doing is disabling unnecessary network features that your Wi-Fi is using right now that you just do not need. What you need to do, head onto the search bar, literally search CMD so command prompt runs up. Make sure you run it as administrator. Once you have as admin literally on the top left just like so, go in the description of this video and copy this whole line of code, literally Control C. Again, we're just disabling features that your Wi-Fi does not need. Do not worry about it. What you need to do now is paste anyway, just like so. As you can see, most of it has been reset, most of it has been disabled. But if you do see anything like this, the parameter is incorrect, or if there's any errors, do not worry about it. It just means your PC does not have that service, or if you do have the service, it's already off anyway, so do not worry about it whatsoever. Now what we're going to be talking about to get true lower ping on your PC is JINSHI Network Optimizer. Literally click the link down below in the description. I'm going to quickly tell you what this does. This reduces your latency and genuinely optimizes your PC full play. As you can see right here, we have so many tweaks. Not only that, we do have medium risk tweaks, high risk tweaks, as you can see, low risk tweaks right here. Not only that, we have an AI assistant. Hi, I'm your network assistant. Let's say I want lower ping, literally simple as that. What's it going to do? Check what you have on, check what you have off, and if you don't have it, you can apply the recommended tweaks, as simple as that. So literally click the link in the description. JINSHI tweaks right here, built to win, engineered for gamers. If you're playing, actually play to win. Literally go and explore products right here. What we have is the JINSHI tweaks app, as you can see right here, and JINSHI tweaks is literally used by professional players. 27 twice, he's literally a professional Fortnite player that won EU solo cash cup the other week, winning $10,000. He uses JINSHI tweaks. Your opponents are using JINSHI tweaks. So literally, why on earth are you not? And of course, KBM zero delay tweaks, the cherry on top. Zero delay KBM, FPS boost, lower latency. Of course, you have to get the gaming bundle for $35.99. By the way, works out at just over £10 per app. No other PC tweaking app is doing it that cheap. Of course, I'll give it to you guys. And of course, use code YT10 if you want to save yourself some money. Now going back into some more Windows tweaks. Now, as for our next Windows tweak, by the way, what we need to be doing is editing your power plan to make sure it actually utilizes your Wi-Fi absolutely perfectly. What you want to do, literally head onto the search bar, search control panel just like so. Once we're going to the search bar in the control panel, just search power, go into power options. Whilst we're going to ultimate performance, change plan settings. Whilst we're gone never and never, change advanced plan settings. And whilst we're, this is what we need to look at. Firstly, wireless adapter settings. Go on the plus, sleep power saving mode, go on the plus. Setting, make sure that is definitely maxed maximum performance, by the way. If you're using a wireless adapter just like I am, you want, of course, it to be maximum performance, repeating back to your Wi-Fi as fast as possible. Another thing that you guys need to do, go on processor power management, click on the plus, processor performance core parking, again, go on the plus yet again, setting, make sure that's 100%. This makes sure 100% of your CPU is genuinely working at all times. Of course, what this means is that your PC will genuinely be running better, literally as simple as that. If you have Ethernet, it'll be quicker. If you have wireless adapter just like me, again, it will be slightly quicker. Now, one more thing that we need to do whilst we're here, by the way, go on PCI Express, literally press on plus again, link state power management, click on the plus, setting, again, make sure that is off. Literally as simple as that. Our power options are now optimized for lower ping. Press apply, press on OK, we can move into our next tweak. And for our next tweak, again, super simple stuff, but again, this does lower your latency and your ping. What you want to do, yet again, literally search control panel just like so, go onto it. Whilst we're here, go onto network and internet, network and sharing center. Whilst we're here, go on the connections, click on the hyperlink. Yours might say Ethernet, again, that is completely fine. Just click onto it just like so. Go onto properties whilst we're here. The first thing we need to do is disable some of these boxes. These are using up your Wi-Fi usage that don't need to be used. First thing that is using up too much Wi-Fi usage, Microsoft Network Adapter Multiplexer Protocol, you can untick this box. You will not have packet loss, you have nothing like that, do not worry about it. You can just turn this off, you just don't need it. Microsoft LLDP, turn that one off. The both link layer topologies at the very bottom, literally turn them off. Press apply, press OK. Your Wi-Fi in the bottom right will restart for about 5 to 10 seconds, do not worry, it will come back online and your ping will be slightly better. Now, another thing that we need to do, go on Internet Protocol version 4, go onto properties, use the following DNS server addresses. This is literally made for gamers, by the way. This is why Cloudflare made it for gamers to get lower ping. Cloudflare, by the way, they literally specialize within Wi-Fi and DNS servers to make sure people get the lowest ping possible. Preferred DNS server 1111, as simple as that. Alternative DNS server 1001. As simple as that. Press on OK. And now one more thing that we do need to do is go on to configure, press onto yes right here, go on to advanced. Whilst you're on advanced, the receive buffers value 256, transmit buffers value 256. This is the best values you can have to make sure you have the lowest ping possible whilst having no packet loss. If you put the value lower, yes, you will have lower ping, but you have more packet loss. You guys get the gist. Press on the X, we can move into our next. Do remember, by the way, if you thought these tweaks in this video were advanced, these are nothing compared to the JINSHI network optimizer. People have reported going from 50, 60 ping all the way down to 0 to 10, sometimes even 15. It is genuinely that good. We have so many settings on here that genuinely work to reduce your ping. So literally at the end of this video, all you have to do is just have a look at the website, just look what it's about, and now we can go into our Windows tweak. What you want to do, head onto the search bar, search device manager just like so. Whilst we're on device manager, what we want to look for is the network adapters. Once we're on network adapters, again, what you want to look for is your Intel R. Once you're on Intel R, go on to advanced. There's going to be a couple of settings that we want to disable. Energy efficient Ethernet. Of course, you do not want your Ethernet to be energy efficient. Have this off. Flow control value disabled. Now another one we need to do, interrupt moderation, again disabled. These are literal services in the background of your PC using up your Wi-Fi usage or not doing it correctly. Press on OK, literally just like that, you will have lower ping. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and remember to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, if you guys are playing, make sure you actually play to win. Just have a look at JINSHI tweaks.